SAP's vision and strategy for the industrial and machinery market begins with a deep understanding of the challenges and pressures the industry faces. Service offerings are the latest frontier for increasing revenues and margin, guarding customers from competitors, and improving brand loyalty. Machinery customers no longer want to simply purchase original equipment. They may want to also buy output or guarantee uptime. Innovative offerings that let you integrate services with products will provide you with a major competitive advantage. Reducing the cost of service while keeping customers happy is the primary objective of customer service organizations. To that end, SAP offers industry-leading service management capabilities that simplify the essential activities involved with highly complex machinery and systems, while also providing real-time information to improve the level of responsiveness for your technicians. If you'd like, we can use a reasonable sequence of events to walk through the various processes involved. Forward-thinking industrial equipment manufacturers look to transform their call centers into customer satisfaction centers. SAP's ability to enable a 360-degree customer view will not only improve the productivity of your call center, but it'll provide your customer service personnel with the information needed to increase their responsiveness and improve the customer experience. With today's business communication management solutions from SAP, call center managers can quickly assign agents to queues as necessary and ensure they have the proper information required for the interaction. This means better service for the customers and distributors and more efficient use of company resources. These points are validated by one customer who experienced radical call center improvements that included things like a 50% reduction in operational costs, a 10% increase in revenues, abandoned call rates were reduced 2.2%, had a 50% reduction in wait time, and they improved their calls answered in 30 seconds metric to 94.3%. Today's modern industrial equipment has the capability to continuously monitor its own condition and performance. Unfortunately, the benefits of collecting this data for predictive maintenance are largely lost when it's stored locally. Leading industrial machinery companies are uploading these huge amounts of data centrally and performing near real-time analysis on it. Imagine the increase in customer satisfaction if your call center called your customer to tell them of an anticipated problem that could be avoided with a proactive service tech visit. Furthermore, our analytics solutions will facilitate segmentation of the data so you can pinpoint which equipment, parts, service offerings, and customers are the most profitable. Once the call center or machine-to-machine predictive maintenance functions have informed you of the need to dispatch a service technician, the SAP solution can increase scheduling efficiency and optimize overall resource utilization by aligning the maintenance requirements to the qualifications of the available service personnel. Customer improvements in this area have included things like double-digit improvements in back-office service support efficiencies, improved profitability from a reduced service prep and optimal technician skill usage, and reduced service dispatch time through standardized processes. After the service technicians have been scheduled, you need to ensure they leave the service center with the proper inventory of parts. SAP solutions are designed not only to manage the truck stock perpetual inventory, but to optimize your capital-intensive global service parts inventory. Organizations can no longer afford to restock and deploy based on antiquated safety stock and reorder point calculations. SAP is a leading provider of supply chain and warehouse management solutions worldwide. By combining this operational knowledge with best-in-class service management practices, SAP has created the leading-edge integrated solution for service parts businesses. SAP's robust solution employs sophisticated modeling processes that balance variables such as service level agreements, stocking and replacement cost, historic usage, and many others to match the supply with the anticipated demand. And SAP goes beyond inventory planning. Supplier collaboration, transportation management, and service parts analytics can be combined to form a state-of-the-art, end-to-end service parts management solution that helps reduce inventories while increasing parts availability. Finally, let's imagine I'm your service technician and it's the start of a new day. I check my mobile device to see the route that's been calculated for me based on the dispatched calls. I look at the first destination, I pull up my map and directions, I can record my arrival time on my mobile device and have it verified by GPS. I review the service order, verify which piece of equipment I'm to work on, and its location at the site. I can see all the planned tasks for the service call. I pull up a list of the materials and the documentation that I should need to complete the repair. Once I reach the equipment, I can scan the asset tag to be sure I'm on the right machine. I use my mobile device to retrieve drawings and 3D CAD renderings. I may also choose to view a video of the recommended approved repair processes. I use my mobile device to scan any materials used, instantly updating my inventory. I enter my labor transactions, obtain an electronic signature from my customer via my mobile device, and I mark the job complete. Back at the office, the invoice is generated this very day. We've now gone through the processes involved in a day in the life of a service organization. You can see the power of the SAP solution as it enables integrated end-to-end service management business processes, resulting in reduced costs, increased customer service levels, and increased service revenues. If you'd like more information, you can visit sap.com and arrange a meeting with our experts.